Hey guys, welcome to our first ever vlog. The new series called Professional Vlogger. So here we are in our office and going to start our work. But the video can't stand out from us, so we are doing the videos of Peter, Asad Sheikh, doing bullshit reading, and that bullshit is written by me. Read this line.
नहीं
Read this line. Read this line.
now reload your website and you can see a stunning glass effect here, but be careful, glass can break and so do ours.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है.
And for starters, this is our studio. This is our green screen, but this is our office green screen. We make video here. This is a place where the actor sits. This is a place where the director sits. This here is a mobile stand because we are broke as fuck till now. Here are the two spotlights. Here are sponges for sounds, and this is Cetranji, also for absorbing sound. And now you can clearly see the set. This will be the view. Pat, we call him Hubby. And this is the beautiful view outside our office. So I was thinking to take a new mic off road, wireless wala, but Asad, what were you saying? What were you saying? क्या बोल रहे थे आप? India wants to know.
मैं समझ नहीं कि आपका वीडियो नहीं बनने वाला है, आप गाइए भाई.
अपने सेक्सी बॉडी दिखा दे.
छोड़.
अरे, this video is not recording. Can you see the lenses close?
आपने कैमरा से लेंस क्लोज.
કાણીઓ જઈએ જવાના હોય તો પણ કેટલું કોસ્ટલી છે કઈ આઈડિયા છે તને? પણ શું સાને પહેરી
ફ્રાઈઝ ખાલી ફ્રાઈઝ નથી મળતા, બર્ગર્સ ને બધું છે. ऑफिस भी है, कोल्ड ऑफिस भी है.
રીઝનેબલ છે બધું 100 हो
જઈએ તો પછી પાર્ટી જ આપી દેની તું તને સસ્તામાં પટી જાય તારું.
હવે છે ને અત્યારથી લઈને મેં સ્ટોપવોચ ચાલુ કરું 20 મિનિટ લગીને તારી શ્વાસ રોકી હોય કઈ જ નહીં લેવી.
20 મિનિટ લાગે ભાઈ કાલે
મારી નાખો છો ને
કન્ટેન્ટ માટે કઈ બી
તું જ કીધું ને.
કન્ટેન્ટ માટે કંઈ પણ કરું બતાવી ટાઈમમાં બેસ કંઈક આવડ મળે બરાબર.
3 2 1
ચાલુ તો ને. ચાર બાર તેમ જ સાસ લઈ લીધી. એક એવા પર્સનને લઈ લેવાનું છે જે આમ ફોનને પકડે એટલે આપણે બંને ઓન કેમેરા રહી શકે. કેમ કે હમણાં પકડું તો ઓન કેમેરા આખો ટાઈમ રહી શકે. In the same manner, we need some person so that we both can be on camera as we have to do vlogging like this. Are you getting this? And this hand really hurts. So we have completed our shoot and we were discussing and we are going to make a new video and we're really ready. Let's wait for that video. Hopefully it comes before this vlog or after this. You never know. So how is the script?
Hi.
Today almost our work is over and today was a quite productive day because we covered कितना strip cover किया हमने? We covered 2 strips as well as I wrote 1 strip for our YouTube, so it was quite a productive day. And as you can see, there is a white light. Oh दुल्हन जरा चेहरा तो दिखा लो डालनी. ओए भूमि कहाँ जा रहा है? Going to Mars. एलन मस्क से टिकट का कंफर्मेशन आ गया.
ये सस्ता वाला यूएफओ है जाने के लिए 7-Eleven
नंबर मुझे दे दो कॉल आया साथ में
off to 7-Eleven for UFO. French fries please.
तुम लोग चल रहे हो क्या?
by Shahrukh Khan's son going to get some
So today is कौन सी तारीख है यार? 6th of October and the day has not been a so productive day. एक तो सुबह से शूट नहीं हुआ और ऊपर से जब शूट करने आते तब कोई ना कोई चला आता है. But I'm writing my script. Asad is doing his editing. Here is the editing. Here is the script. If you see here, this edge looks very real, but this whole is one 3D model. This complete thing is one 3D model. But After Effects make it too real. For example, this Alexa. Take it to Alexa now. Alexa, no. Alexa, you can see also a fabric material, but it's all in the Elementor 3D. हमको भी पूरी तरह से नहीं आता, but we are getting to learn it. It's quite interesting. Here just 2 dots are our lights. One is red and one is blue. And this whole mock-up we have picked up from some random website. But the textures and everything we have done it by our own.
सर को बोलो ना पंखा लगाए आपने कमेंट करा कमेंट करो सर मेक दिस वर्क.
So today is 4th day of recording and this is our new setup. Here are the 2 focus lights, the sound pads, our hubby and our not so fine actor. And this is our rim light. And this is our actual scene that you will see. One of the issue is over there that the switchboard is coming. We have to resolve that. Or we can put any prop over there now. Actually, we are trying Google Home for quite a while, but it's not connecting. I don't know what's the issue. It might be because I was keeping on my hotspot on another mobile, and I guess that Google Home don't connect with hotspot networks, I guess. And sorry for the sound qualities and log. It is going to be a little harsh for now, but we will try to improve on that also because we have collar mics and with a long wire of Boya, and it is not convenient to wear it every time. But the sound optimization of this phone is good, so let's see. What you were telling?
Nothing. I was just telling this quality of sound will be like we will know about it at the time of editing. how good the sound is.
But that's in the post production. I don't know about my head, sir. I don't know about
It's
my
obvious
head.
you are not looking good.
Main thing we have to take care of are these wires. If we fucked up with any of this wire, everything will go down. Today is my lucky day because let me show you one. So I invested some money before 2 days and it is growing very well. You can see in 2 days I have got a profit of almost 100 rupees.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल 25 दिन में पैसा डबल
If you guys are thinking what we do for living, we are a team member of video production. Can we call ourselves head?
We are two head of team production.
Also a content writer, also a content creator, and sometimes we do the things of Spotboy too. Like we are doing it now, for example. Sir, Scots.
I have already done my workout in the morning. I don't know power right now.
I also do lot of workout. I do workout.
I know how much workout.
I work out every morning.
चल झूठा
I heard you murmuring something about Amazon, how their service are getting down weaker.
I just bought a bag from them and it took 2 weeks to come.
But it was a sale going down, no?
No, I bought it before sale.
Yes, you bought it before sale. I forgot that. I also told you that the sale is coming. You have to wait for some time.
There was no change in its actual price after the sale also.
To shoot something, it's just 330.
Call them. क्या है भाई?
हम एक दो वीडियो तो ले ही सकते हैं. At least we can try. There are going to be retakes because I have written some small segments for this part. Just making it some more spicy because the every intro are same and that's some.
Like this. I'll make it from early. So we can.
Hey, but to make that, I should know now that what are the topics.
Then just ask her what is ProKit and what's.
Actually, I have written the intros and outros according to the name of topic, but our next product is ProKit and we don't have. We don't have the material, the screen recording and that are yet to come. So, but I will wait, sir. If I get it sooner, if I only get the name of the topic sooner, na, I can write it down. He was telling that he will give me at 12, but I will talk it out. Because the actual target of placements are numbers. The more number we give, the more better it's for us and as well as for the company. So hope to get the numbers right. Some person, you get some instinct that he's a for some person you get he's a good person. Some you get he's not that great. For example, for that one person, let him call him Chutia. So I get very, very angry whenever I have to act so nice to him, but actually I just want to grab his neck and throw him around. That Chutia. You know who is he? No. Camera is at your side.
I don't care.
If it is in vlog and if that person says it,
It's your problem, not mine. I'm not saying he's bad. For me.
he is not bad. I'm not telling he is bad, but I don't know. I get so angry at him. So we got our tripod. We were waiting for the whole day. और इसकी वजह से आज का शूट भी नहीं हुआ. Amazon पे डिजिटेक का दिखा तो रहे थे, but I think it's the first copy. तो क्या बोलता है? 500 में देगा क्या डिजिटेक? वैसे तो सही है. क्वालिटी कैसा है? ऐसा हो तो हमारे उसके नीचे एफिलिएट लिंक रखते हैं इसके. क्वालिटी बोलना क्वालिटी.
Okay, okay. Thanks for watching this video.
Hey guys, welcome to the brand new day. Today is Saturday. It's title in it. And here is our actor practicing the script. और he is facing some college problems. बोल क्या problem है तुझे तेरी college से? Unboxing of a कुर्सी. Condom निकाल कुर्सी. This guy is completely tired. My head is also paining with light. It's too bright and hurts in our eyes. But in conclusion, we have to set over there. See how beautiful it is. And do you want to say anything? This is our actual setup. The camera stays here. We have only one camera. I have this stupid phone, so I can't record it with my camera. So yes, I'm planning to have a new phone to have a better shots while recording also. This is our setup, and yes, we did 2 videos today, 2 intros and outros. It was fun doing it, but with all these lights at once, it's a headache. It's a work of headache. So that's all.